Good morning, everyone. Today you're going to be doing rainbow revisions to your argument essay draft. There are 3 steps to this assignment. Let me just scroll down so you can see. These are the directions for the rainbow revision. And step 3, there are a couple of questions that you need to answer. All right, so step 1, what I'd like you to do is copy and paste your 5 paragraphs into this large box so they're not separated anymore. They'll be all one essay together. Step 2, you're going to highlight the parts of each of your 5 paragraphs to see that you have everything you need. So indent your paragraphs and then go back and find the sentence where your debate is defined, where you have your claim, where you've got your 3 reasons in one sentence, and your concluding sentence. That's for your paragraph 1. So you'll come up here and you'll highlight similar colors, doesn't have to be exact, but similar colors, to let yourself know that, yes, I have all the parts of the introduction. Then please do it for the 3 body paragraphs. Do you have a topic sentence? Do you have your evidence, your A evidence, and then you analyzed it after the citation? B evidence, and C evidence. Okay, you're going to do that for all 3. The conclusion, the 5th paragraph, highlighted accordingly. Make sure you have all the parts to the conclusion. And I want you to look at the bibliography parts here. So your citations, you're going to highlight for at least one source, yellow, a second source, green, a third source, blue. It's showing that you've used at least 3 sources. For a couple of you, if you only use 2 sources, that's okay, but I do want you to highlight your sources that you've used. Okay, and let's see, you can highlight, I'm looking at this for a second. You're going to be putting in your essay. I want you to also paste in the bibliography as well, just to make sure that's all in there as well. Okay, step 3. There are 2 questions here for you to answer. What's something you did well with in your essay, just overall, and what's something you can improve in your essay? Okay, a couple of questions to sort of think about and reflect on. Once you've done all 3 steps, please turn it in. As usual, if you have any questions, please email me or come on to my Zoom room. Thank you.